Hi guys, this is Rohan Shetty and I am a student of Let's Upgrade. I'm here to talk about file handling in Python. So like all other programming languages, Python also supports file handling. So, like we can read, write and do other file handling operations in Python. So first of all, why do we need file handling? So when you run your code in a interactive mode, so all the code or the data is stored in a RAM, which is basically, volatile or temporary, because as you lose your session or you shut down, uh, the data is lost. So that's where file handling comes in very handy. So you can save your data and then use it for, whenever you want. So let's go ahead and see the different types of file handling modes. So basically we have four modes: read mode, write mode, append mode, and basically both read and write mode. So let's see the write mode first. So here I am opening a file called demo.txt in a write mode using the W parameter. Open is a method to open the file. Now write is a method to write lines in a file. So here I am writing two lines. The first line is hello, this is Rohan Shetty. The second line is we are learning file handling in Python. And close method is used to close the file, because once you open the file, closing a file is important. Let's run this code. Okay, let's see the demo.file. So as you can see, a file has been created in the name demo.txt. Let's see the output. So here you can see that two lines are printed, both the lines which I wrote it. Alright, now let's look at how to read this file. So if you want to read the file, you can use the read method. So open the file, give the file name and the R mode to read the file, and read method to read the file. Let's run this code. So as you can see, it has printed both the lines of the file. Now there is a variant to the read mode. If you want to read one line at a time, you can use the read line method. Let's run this code. So here you can see that it is giving me an output of the first line. So if you recall the read line mode, it will print one line at a time. Now if you want to read all the lines and store it in a list format, you use the read lines method. Let's run this code. So here you can see that this is the first line and this is the second line, and it has taken everything in this square bracket, which is a notation for list. Now let's look at the last mode, which is the append mode. What append mode does is basically it appends a line at the end of the file and will denote it using the A parameter, which is this. So what I'm trying to append here is I'm writing a line, let's upgrade happy learning, and what should happen is this line should be appended at the end of the file. Let's run this code. This code has run successfully. Let's look at the file. So as you can see here, the line let's upgrade happy learning has been appended at the end of the file. So this is what the append mode does. Now there was another mode called as the R plus mode. Basically it's a read and write mode. So it does basically, it is a combination of the read mode, this is the R mode, and the write mode which we looked at first. So yeah, that's it guys. I hope you have learned file handling, the basic modes, and hope you all enjoyed it. Thanks.